Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cat by Nagendra. So in this video, we are going to create this particular part design in SolidWorks. Now let me enter into new part by using here new part, let's say, okay. Now first let's analyze this drawing which is having here only with the orthographic projections. Now as you can see here, this view we can consider as front view, and upon that we are having here top view. Then beside that we are having here side view. So why we need to specify or why we need to consider this is only the front view means always side views will be beside our front view, and when we are having up and down views, so one will be front view, upon that or below that front or top view will be present. Now as you can see here, one view is beside of this, so always side view will be beside of front view only, and this will consider as front, then this will consider as right side view, then this will consider as top view. So when we are having top view on upside under that front view, then right side view is on right side only, this will come under third angle of projection. So about this angle of projections and everything we are going to cover in next tutorials. So entire about engineering drawing I am going to cover. Now to create this particular part, so first we'll start here with this front view base. As you can see, base we are having here with radius of 5, total 1 2 3 4 5, total 5 circles are there with radius of 5. Now let's enter into front plane. Just I will create one circle here. Then dimension for this we are having radius of 5, diameter I will specify 10. Mouse right click on dimension, we can make it here display as radius. Then same circles we want extra this side too and this side too. For that we can go here with copy entitles, or else one more circle and relation also we can apply. Let's go here with copy entitles. Entitle to copy is this. Then with reference to this point, we need one more here. Then again one more I need to repeat. Copy entitles, this I need to copy. With reference to this center point, we need one more here like this. Then just by using here add relation, we'll apply relation between all these three circles. We need here equal relation, let's say, okay. Then relation between this and this and this all should be on horizontal axis, we'll make it vertical. Relation between this to this we need tangent. Again this curve to this curve also we need tangent. Like this same two circles we need this side also, easily we can make it here mirror. So to make mirror we need one central construction line, so one vertical construction with infinite length. Just let me create one line like this. Then just I will go for mirror entitles. We need to mirror these two circles with reference to this central vertical axis, let's say, okay. Then after that we are having one vertical, again one horizontal and vertical we need to close. So just directly I'll start from this end point, one vertical line tangent to that, then one more vertical and horizontal line straight to this like this. Just I will convert this. Then dimension from circle center point to end of that line we are having vertical height of 5. Let me give this dimension from this to this we need vertical height of 5. Then by using trim, we can go directly here with power trim. Just you can drag like this and you can trim all these unwanted elements like this. Then next to that, for this curvatures we are having fillet radius of 1.5. Later we are not able to apply this fillet. Why? Because it will be inside of that sharp edge. So in sketch itself we will apply this fillet which is having radius of 1.5 just by swapping like this. All at a time we can select and we can make it here 1.5 radius. Let me check this radius of 1.5. So here fillet radius we need 1.5. This radius we need only 5. Let me change that. fillet we want between this to this with radius of 1.5 like this. Similar to that, we need to apply all for these edges. Let me select all and we'll apply. Okay. Then exit sketch, isometric. We need to make this extruded boss. By using midplane we are going to create here. So total we need to make this extrude boss of 35. This width we want. Let me give here 35 and let's say okay. So base we have created now. Then next to that, as you can see, we need material only with a thickness of 1 mm. So we need to remove material with by leaving 1 mm thickness in all directions at a time. So directly if you go with this shell option now to remove material, these curve edges we won't get properly. So first what we are going to create means we are going to apply fillet first, then we are going to make shell. Here directly if you go for shell from this top face by leaving thickness of 1 mm and if I say OK, material will be removed properly. But to apply fillet, outer curve radius we are having 2.5, inner curve radius also same. If you give 2.5, we won't get proper shape. Let me show you that. Just for this edge I will apply with radius of 2.5 we want. And if I say OK, as you can see, this curvature curve part it won't get properly. So only what we are going to do means, let me go back by using Ctrl plus Z. Before applying shell, now only we will apply fillet for this edge and this edge with radius of 2.5. Let's say OK. Now if we go for shell from this top face by leaving thickness of 1 mm, if I say OK, that upper curve part we will get properly like this. So I hope you have understood this. Then next to that we can go here with removal of material. From front view we need to remove this shape and from side view we need to remove this shape. Now on the front plane I'll go for sketch, make it normal. Just I will create one center point rectangle like this. Dimension for this rectangle we are having length of 25, height of 2. So length we need here 25, then this height we need here 2 mm. Then add relation, we need relation between this point to the center point. We need vertical relation, it should be straight. Then this line should be exactly on this line, we will make it here collinear. Then exit sketch, we can make it here extruded cut through all like this. From front clear. Then again on this side view, again we'll make it normal. I'll create one more center point rectangle like this. Dimension for this we are having length of 20, height of 2. So this length we need 20. This height we need here 2 mm. Then add relation. Relation between origin point to this rectangle center point, we need vertical relation. Then this line to this line, by holding control we can select multiple elements and we can apply relation directly like this. Then again here also extruded cut we need to remove through all like this. Then again we are having pockets from top view. So here we are having curvature surface, we can't draw any new sketch on this curvatures. So just we can go for sketch on this flat face, make a sketch, make it normal. Just we need one center point rectangle here like this. Then dimension for that rectangle we are having height of 25, width of 3 mm, which is having fillet radius of 0.5. So this height of 25. Then distance from line to line, this width we need here 3. Dimension from this end line to starting line we are having width of 3. So this line to this line also we are having here 3. Then relation between this point to origin point, we need here vertical relation. Now only we can apply this fillet radius of 0.5. Let me apply fillet for all edges like this with radius of 0.5. Let's say okay. Again fillet, let me apply for this edge also. For this point and this point also we need with radius of 0.5. Let's say okay, then now also we can make it pattern, or else after making here extrude cut we can make it pattern. Let me keep it here through all and let's say okay. Now same pockets, total we need here 5 in linear direction. For that, just directly we can select this extruded cut. We can go for linear pattern. We need pattern with reference to this direction. Total we need 5. Then distance between 1 to 1 we are having here 10. Just to give dimension of 10 mm. Let's say okay. Properly these pockets all will be created by using this pattern. Then last we can go for this base step. At base we are having, you can see from here to here it is 5. Again here to here we are having 5.5. So just 0.5 mm with that height we are having one circle here with a diameter of 1. Then extrude boss off up to next with a draft angle of 10 degrees. Then if you apply fillet it will be finished. Now we need to create one sketch at a distance of 10.5. So directly we don't have any reference to create that sketch. For that we will create one reference plane. With reference to this top face we need one plane. In downside direction we can make it here flip offset with a distance of 10.5 and let's say okay. Now on this plane we can go for sketch, make it normal. Just I'll make it one more time normal to make that rotate. Just we need one circle here with a diameter of 1. Let me give diameter of 1. Then to make proper position, if you see in front view, from end to center point of that circle we are having 3. In side view from end to center point we are having 3.5. From this point to this end, so we are taking from front view, we need here only 3. Then from this point to this, we are having here distance of 3.5. Exit sketch, isometric. We need to make this extrude boss. We need only up to next with a draft angle of 10 degrees we want. So we need here draft angle outside. Material should be added outside. We can make it here draft outwards. Let's say okay. At last we need one more fillet only for this edge, which is having radius of 0.25. So just we will give 0.25 dimension and let's say okay. Just this plane we will hide this by using mouse right click. We need to make pattern of boss extrude plus fillet. So linear pattern. First direction I want in this direction. Total we need 2 with a distance of 44. So we need only instances 2 with a distance of 44. Then second direction is this. Total we need here 2 with a distance of 28. Let's give dimension of 28 and let's say okay. So like this we are able to create this part design. So if you want to apply some material for this, directly from this tree display we can see material option, mouse right click, directly default materials will be there, or else we can go for edit material. Whatever we want to apply material we can go with this and we can apply. Now let's take some plastic. Let me apply some plastic material like ABS. Apply, close. Like this we can apply this material also. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. If any doubts you have regarding this, please let me know in comment box. And if you really like this video and creation of modeling, please like the video, share to your friends. Thank you so much.